Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by using RAW because it preserves sensor data and gives you recovery room for highlights and shadows. Once your calibrated monitor is ready, import into a non-destructive editor. This protects originals. Begin with global adjustments. Set white balance to correct color cast, dial exposure to place midtones, and use the highlight and shadow sliders to recover detail. Make sure to enable lens corrections early. Profiles remove distortion and vignetting, which directly improves perceived sharpness. Next, refine tone and color with a mix of global and local edits. You should create local masks to target faces, skies, or shadows so you don't crush detail. Once done, gently increase clarity and texture to enhance micro-contrast, but reduce if halos appear. Use dehaze sparingly to restore atmospheric contrast. Then sculpt contrast with an S-curve and apply subtle split toning for highlights and shadows to set mood. This step ties color and brightness together for real quality improvement. Finish by managing noise and sharpening in the right order. Reduce luminance and color noise first, because sharpening amplifies grain, then apply targeted sharpening using masks so fine detail pops without boosting background noise. Once happy, check at 100% and on a smaller preview. Make sure skin tones stay natural. Finally, export using the proper color space and resolution for the final use. sRGB for web, Adobe RGB or Pro Photo for print. Then test the file. If artifacts appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.